Hello and welcome back to another episode of Lake Monster Lures. And guys, you asked and therefore you shall receive. In this episode, we're going to make a spearfishing decoy. I've never made one of these before, but I'm excited to go and spearfish. The season is kind of coming to an end. The ice is a little unstable, but you know what? We're gonna make it happen. Guys, also make sure to go to lakemonsterlures.com. I have merchandise now. We have actually t-shirts that are hitting the market. Actually, some people have already bought some. Thanks so much to you. And guys, I price these things relatively fair. I hope. I want to make sure that people can afford these and get them because I'm really excited for this channel to take off. Let's get into the lure build or the decoy build and let's have a day. Let's go. Okay, so here's the deal. I have never done this, like I said before, but the fish that are in the lake that I usually go to are mostly bluegill and crappie. At least that's what I'm catching when I am ice fishing. So I think that's the design that I'm gonna lean towards, that is. So I'm gonna draw up what looks mostly like a kind of like a bluegill crappie, like a mixture of the two, just in case I decide to change my mind about the paint job later down the line. I think I want to go with the bluegill, but maybe I'll go crappie. Not 100%. And again, I could be attacking this all wrong, but we're just going to get into it. Here we go. Okie dokes. Let's draw. All right, so you can see I have hot glued this back together so that way I can have symmetry when I'm cutting this out. And I can just slide it without it being off kilter, top and bottom. Okay, so I am kind of stuck between these two eyes, choosing this eye or that eye. So it's kind of like a yellowish red, and then this one's kind of like a more natural gold, black pupil. I'm gonna regret showing these to you because if you like this one, you might not be happy because I think I'm gonna go with this more natural look. And if you like this one, congratulations. That's what I chose too. Okay.
Top water.
That's the movement that it should be making. That's doing the spin really well until it gets caught on the ice. If we had a bigger hole, this thing would be spinning like a champ. But we don't have the right tools for this. And keeps getting stuck on the side of the ice. Notice that there are not a lot of videos on how to make a decoy for spearfishing, and I did comb through what I could find, so I'm pretty sure that I made this decoy right, and I hope that you actually follow along in these steps. The only thing that I had off is that I didn't test my bait because I was trying to get out here before everything melts. As you can see, it's bright, it's about 40 degrees, and yeah, time was an issue. So I fumbled the bag there and I messed up with the lead. If I had about just a ½ ounce more lead in there, or just a 3/8 ounce even, it probably would have sunk the right way. But I'm gonna count this one as a win, kind of. Anyway, thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks.